let's talk about 3-cell LiPo. The procedure remains the same. There's nothing major changes that you have to do in order to charge the 3-cell LiPo. I'll quickly show you how to do that. The 3-cell LiPo that I'll be using for the demonstration purpose already has a Dean's connector, so I need not to worry about using another external connector in order to plug into my charger. So here you can see the male Dean's connector can directly be connected to the charging port of the LiPo here. So I'll quickly do that. The charging ports are connected. So coming back to, let's begin with the LiPo charge. So it's a 2200 mAh battery divided by 1000. That's a 2.2 amps. So the battery needs to be charged at 2.2 amps charge rate. So quickly enter the charging rate, that is 2.2. Next enter the voltage, so it's no more 7.4 2-cell, it's going to be 3-cell. So 11.1 volt 3-cell. So gently press the start button. Battery is charged and it's asking to confirm whether it's a 3-cell series pack. So I'll have to enter to confirm. So the battery is getting charged now, you can see. So the current voltage of the battery is 11.8 volt. So this is how you charge using mains. Now I'll stop this process in order to show you how to balance charge it. Once the connections are made, so choose the right option. So that's going to be LiPo balance charge. So again enter the right amps. It's going to be 2.2. Enter again to select the voltage. It's going to be 3-cell. Gently press enter. Battery check and the 3-cell series. Enter to confirm. Here you can see the battery is getting charged. It's a balanced charge anyway. So in order to see voltage on each cell, press either of these buttons, the increase button here, to sell at what rate the each cell in the battery is getting charged. The first battery is at 3.87. The second is at 3.86 volt, and the third is at 3.86. So it's pretty much well balanced, I can say. So this is about balance charging a 3-cell LiPo. I'll stop this process to show you guys how to discharge the same 3-cell battery. So unplug the balance port. The mains are connected. Choose the right option. Storage, it's discharged. So again, discharge rate at select to enter the right. So the maximum at which the battery can be discharged is at 1 amps. So if in case I have to discharge at a higher rate, it wouldn't be safe. So the maximum at which it can discharge is at 1 amp. Alright, next choose the voltage at which it needs to be discharged. Enter. So it's no more 2 cell, it's going to be 3 cell. So enter to confirm. Here you can see the battery is getting discharged. I don't want my battery to be discharged, so I rather go ahead and stop the discharge process. So this is how you discharge 3 cell LiPo. So now coming back to LiPo safe storage voltage. So select the right option and again enter. So the storage, again it depends whether it is whether the voltage in this battery is more than the storage point or whether it is lower than the storage voltage. So the battery suggests it has to be charged or discharged at the rate of 1.0 amps. So it's no more the 2 cell, it's going to be 3 cell. So I'll go ahead and select 3 cell. So 3.7 into 3, it's going to be 11.1 volt. So the safe storage for this LiPo, it's going to be 11.1 volt. So gently press in order to confirm, and again the storage charge has begun. So this is how you can charge your LiPo for attaining that storage voltage. You need not worry about using this voltmeter now and then in order to check your voltage, and again it's a tedious task anyway, because it's a continuous monitoring that needs to be done in order to, if not for this professional charger, if you are going to be using this charger, you will not know the storage point nor you will know the discharge point, what rate the LiPo is getting charged or so charge it. Alright, the indicator shows that it's attained the storage point. So I will go ahead and stop. If you think the LiPo is at 11.3 volt, there is always a variation at plus or minus 1 or 2 volt when it attains the storage voltage. So I wouldn't break my head on it because at any point this will be at 3.7 or max to max plus or minus 1 volt when it comes to storage voltage per cell. Alright, let me stop this process. So this is how you charge or discharge a 3 cell LiPo and attain a storage point or all that I've shown here. Alright, I think I was pretty much clear on what I've said here. If you guys have any questions on this part of the video, like charging or discharging a storage point, do let me know.